The student who comes under the domicile of West Bengal, they will be eligible for the state quota seat in private colleges in West Bengal. In West Bengal, many private colleges are there. KPC Medical College, IQ City, iCare, Ramkrishna, Jagannath Gupta. Many private colleges are there. All the private colleges state quota fees is reasonable within 20 to 25 lakhs in the entire MBBS fees. In this video, I am giving you the informations regarding complete cutoff score for state quota in private colleges. So go through the video till end. The student who belongs to West Bengal domicile, if they are not getting government college MBBS seat, then their next target is government quota, that is state quota seat in private colleges. In West Bengal, total 12 private medical colleges are there. Initially, last year, 10 colleges are there. But at the end phase of the counseling last year, two medical colleges again got permissions. That is Zakir Hussain Medical College and East West Medical College. But from the beginning of the counseling, 10 medical college, they participated in West Bengal state counseling. These 10, all 10 medical colleges are the private medical colleges. Now here, one important thing the student should know that West Bengal domicile student means in West Bengal counseling process, there are three type of domicilities there. I'll show you the certificate of that. See, this is domicile A1. Okay. Domicile A1 means the student who are residing in the state continuously last 10 years, and this is actually for the year of 2024. For 2025 here, instead of 31st December 2023, it will be 31st December 2024. So this A1 is for those students who are continuously staying in West Bengal for last 10 years. Now, another domicile is there, that is A2. So there is a difference between A1 and A2. Which student should take A1 and which student should take A2? That information you have to take carefully from the counseling brochures. Apart from that, another is that is Proforma B. Proforma B is for those residential and domicile certificate for those students who are not residing in West Bengal, but their parents are residing in West Bengal. Their parents is a permanent home address in West Bengal. So this is domicile B. Suppose if you are not staying in West Bengal, you are staying in other state, but your parent is having home address, permanent home address in West Bengal, then you can claim West Bengal state domicile. As an advantage, you will able to participate in the counseling for government quota seat, state quota seat in private colleges. All the colleges which all are there in West Bengal private colleges, 33% seats are reserved for the state quota. For example, if 200 seats are there in any college, then 66 seats will be reserved for the state quota. Now, in this state quota also, they will be having a bifurcations between general category, SC, ST, OBC, OBCA, OBCB, many category. But total 66 seats within 200 seats will be for the state quota. Percentage wise, it is 33% of the seat. I'll tell you the fee structure. I'll give an example of one college. It is Jagannath Gupta Medical College. What is the last year fee structure? You can see state quota fees per semester 2,74,000. And West Bengal, they mentioned the fees in semester. You consider total 9 semester. So altogether, the fee will be 25,56,000. All the private colleges in West Bengal, state quota fees is around 25 lakhs in that range for entire 4.5 years, which is for private college considerations, the fee is quite low in state quota. So that is the reason the student who are not getting government college, if they have budget around 25 lakhs in that range, they can target private college government quota, that is state quota seat in West Bengal, who belong to the domicile A1, A2 or B. Now I will tell you the cutoff in 2024 in state quota in West Bengal private colleges. Before that, I would suggest you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get all important and relevant informations for MBBS admission 2025. If your NEET rank is very good, if it is 20,000, 30,000, then also we'll guide you for the government counseling process. If your NEET rank is not that standard, then we'll guide you the best private college according to your NEET rank and according to your budget. So let's start with the cutoff in a private college state quota. You can see this one. First, I'll tell you the KPC Medical College. Now, here different categories are there. One is general category, another is EWS category, another is OBC A, OBC B, SC, ST. Student, actually allotment used to happen by rank, but for your understanding, I am giving you the score wise. I have converted the rank for the appropriate score, so I am giving in the score wise, because if I tell you the rank, you may not able to understand what exactly the score of that. So first start with the KPC Medical College general category, government state quota, general category student 635, EWS 575, OBC A 630, OBC B 626, SC 536 and ST 295. So if a student is coming in general category, if the score is above 635, then KPC Medical College, they have a good possibility. Next is Jagannath Gupta Institute of Medical Science, general category cutoff score 628, EWS cutoff score 564, OBC A 622, OBC B 620, SC 525, ST 269. Jagannath Gupta College is in Kolkata itself. It is very, I can tell you it is very near to Kolkata. So the student who are looking for admissions in Kolkata, apart from KPC Medical College, Jagannath Gupta is also a very good option. Next is, I will tell you, iCare Institute of Medical Science and Research and BCI Hospital. See, iCare is not in our vicinity of Kolkata, but it is also not very far from Kolkata. It is in Haldia, which is nearby Kolkata, I can tell you. In iCare Medical College, general category cutoff 628, EWS 545, and OBC A 626, OBC B 619, SC 519 and ST 230. Now, in West Bengal, Durgapur, 3 private colleges are there. One is IQ City Medical College, another is Ramkrishna Sanaka Medical College, another is Gauri Devi Medical College. In Durgapur, only 3 private medical colleges are there. First, I will tell you IQ City Medical College, 628 is the general category cutoff for state quota, EWS 531, OBC A 618, OBC B 616, SC 514 and ST 234. Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Medical Science and Sanaka, which is also in Durgapur, 616 is the general category cutoff score, EWS 497, OBC A 611, OBC B 590, SC 494, ST 169. Another college in Gauri Devi, that is in Durgapur, which is general category cutoff 621, score 518 for EWS. Gauri Devi general category 621, EWS 518, OBC A 613, OBC B 598, SC for 496 and ST 216. This is the cutoff for Gauri Devi Medical College. Next is JIS Medical College. Their general category cutoff score 621, EWS 582, and OBC A cutoff 617, OBC B 599, SC 501, and ST 244. JMN Medical College. This medical college general category cutoff 619, EWS cutoff 498, OBC A cutoff 613, OBC B cutoff 595, SC cutoff 497, ST cutoff 181. That is the cutoff for JMN Medical College. Next is which started last year, that is Krishnanagar Institute of Medical Science. General category cutoff 617, that is the general cutoff. EWS 515, OBC A 612, OBC B 600, SC 493, ST 181. Santiniketan Medical College in Bolpur, that is general category cutoff 622, EWS cutoff 522, OBC A 616, OBC B 604, SC 498, ST 262. This is the cutoff of 10 private medical colleges in West Bengal, which started, which counseling began from the first round only. As I told you in the beginning, another 2 private colleges, East West Medical College and Zakir Hussain Medical College, but they got permission at the last phase. So that particular cutoff may not reflect the actual picture of the state quota. So that is the reason we have not included in this list. We have included only those colleges which participated from the beginning of the counseling in West Bengal. So you got to know that fee structure for state quota is around 25 lakhs. In that range, you have to pay it semester wise. But I'm telling you, if you are looking for admission in private college, even if in state quota also, you go through the website of all the colleges, want to know the detailed fee structure, because few of the colleges are there. Apart from the tuition fees, there are some other fees are also there. So that you also have to aware about that. Because if you feel that budget is around 25 lakhs, later on if the it increase another 5 or 10 lakhs, then it will be a difficult situation for you. If you are looking for the entire guidance of admissions in MBBS, you can contact us. I'll show you the number in the scheme, that is 9900486666, and this number will guide you the entire counseling process. Will ensure the smooth processing of your admissions based on your rank and your budget. Hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like this video, you can share this video with your friends also, so they will also get the informations. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. We'll reply you. Thank you so much.